Hi everyone. Welcome to Tech Big Solutions. This is Prabhu. So in this video, we are going to see an amazing search algorithm. Okay, so basically there are two types of search algorithm. One is a linear and another one is a binary search algorithm. So in this video, we are going to see about both the search algorithms. So without further delay, let's move into the video. Okay, so first one is like a linear search. Okay, so linear search means it is like a simple search which we will be doing one after another. So first element, second element, third element. So we will be trying to find the target at an element among that group of elements in the senior sequential order. Okay, so that is called as a linear search. Okay, so we can quickly move into that coding part. Okay, so for example, so this is an array we have x. Okay, so array name is there's x. So we can have some numbers. Okay, so this is the values we have inside this integer array. Okay, so in this we are going to perform a linear search. Okay, so linear search is so searching the element in the sequential order. Okay, so what we have to search? We have to search the target element. Okay, so we have to search for the targeted element and the result should be the output should be the index of that particular element. Okay, so int target equal to 5. Okay, okay, so first we can have one for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than equal to x dot size or length I plus plus. Okay, we have to put -1 or else we can remove this equal to. Okay, so if x of I equal to target, then sys out the index of the targeted element is simply I. Okay, so I is the basically I is the index value. Okay, so for example, if that element is not present in the array, then sys out of element the targeted element is not present in the array. Okay, so let's run this program. Okay, so ideally this should not happen. Okay, fine. So this is what we are not expecting basically. Okay, let's remove this else part. Okay, so let's have one boolean is present. Okay, so is present equal to true. Okay, so next is if not is present, then only print this. And we have to put this outside of this for loop. Okay. Yeah. Always this local variable we need to initialize. Okay, fine. Yeah. So now we can see the output. Okay. So basically this is the array, and then this is the targeted element, and we have kept a boolean variable to make sure like whether that particular element is present in this array or not. And then we have a for loop which will iterate from starting from index 0 to till its length. Okay, so then if x of that particular array, that particular index is present, then print this statement. Okay, so if it is not present, okay, so by default this is false. Okay, if it didn't go to this particular for if condition, then this particular boolean value will be true, false state. Okay, so if it is in false state, okay, so this symbol, okay, so if you put the symbol before to this any condition, that means it's a not. Okay, so if it is not true, that means like if it is false, then print the statement. Okay, so consider like I'm giving this number which is not present in this array. So which is not present, I think 4 is not there. Let me try that. Okay, so targeted element is not present in the array. Yeah, so this is a basic linear search. Okay, so among the two searching algorithms, first one we have completed. Let's move to the second one. So it's not like we have only this two algorithm. There are like multiple algorithms we have. So in upcoming videos we can see. Okay, so next one is binary search. Very important algorithm and most frequently asked interview program. Binary search. Okay, binary search algorithm. Okay, so before moving to this program, okay, so I will explain the logic, how it's works. Okay, so I'm going to create an array. One, two. Okay, so first one is two, one, four, three, so three, six, five, nine, eight. Okay, so can have one more thing called zero. Okay, okay. So I have created an array with this particular elements. Okay, so first step in this binary searches, we have to sort this array. Okay, so okay, so zero, one, two, three, four, five, six. After that, eight and nine last. Okay, so first one we have to sort this array. Okay, so the reason is, so if you go into this next steps, you will be understanding why we are doing the sorting here. Okay, so first step is we have to find the mid value. Okay, so what we are going to do, first we are going to find the mid value. So among this nine elements, okay, so this is a mid value. Okay, so before that we have four, and then after that we have four elements. So this is the mid value. Okay, so even though if it is like a even number, okay, so for example, if it is 1 till 8, then mid value will be this one, 3. Okay, so now this is the mid value. Okay, so first what we are going to find. Okay, so the target element is less than this mid value or greater than with this mid value or equal to this mid value. Okay, so because we have already sorted this particular array. Okay, so for, if the targeted element is greater than this mid value, so definitely the element will be present inside this particular part. Okay, so if that element is less than this mid value, then definitely it will be this part. Okay, so if it is equal to mid, then that's it. Yeah, program is completed. Okay, so then we have to make this mid as different, and then we have to start this indexing from here. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Okay, so these are the index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so these are the index. So consider like target is 6. Okay, so target value is 6. We have to find that particular 6 in this array. So in which position the 6 present. Okay, so first one is what we are going to do. So we can have a minimum. These are called a variables. Okay, so we can create a variable called minimum here, and this is the maximum, and third one is a mid. Okay, so always the mid will be equal to minimum plus maximum divided by 2. Okay, so this is a formula to find the mid value here. Okay, so mid value we got. So minimum will be initially it will be 0 and maximum will be length of an array minus 1. Okay, so this will be the initial values for this variables. Okay, so first we have to iterate and then we have to identify whether this target is equal to this mid value or it is like greater than mid value or less than of mid value. Okay, so in our case, so the target value is greater than the mid value. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to change this minimum value equal to mid plus 1. Okay, because we are going to shift this minimum from here to here, the second step. Okay, the second iteration, you can say. Okay, so now next what we have to do, so we don't need to do anything for this max because max is already a maximum value of the index. So we got the minimum, we got the min and then max. Okay, so third is we need to find the mid value here. Okay, again mid value is minimum equal to minimum plus max divided by 2. Okay, so like that, this loop will get iterated. Okay, so till what time the loop will get iterated? Till, okay, so if minimum is less than or equal to max. Okay, so if this condition is there, then the loop will get iterated. Okay, so if this condition is false, then loop will break. Okay, so these are the binary search algorithm steps. Okay, so here we are not going to follow the sequential order. Okay, so in order to reduce the time and complexity, okay, so we are following this binary search, okay, where we will be finding a minimum, maximum, and mid values. Okay, so without any further delay, let's move to the program part. Okay, so first one is array. Okay, so in a equal to what is the value? So 2 comma 1 comma 4 comma 3 comma 6 comma 5 comma 9 comma 8 comma 0. Okay, so here we have to sort next. Okay. So arrays dot sort of A. Okay. So let's print it out and check whether it got sorted or not. Okay, so arrays again we have to do it in the loop only. Okay, so quickly we can do that. So object, or else you can have it the int also. Yeah, object is fine. So A, sys out of A, just A. Okay, sorry, element. Better we can have integer. Okay, see, perfectly got sorted. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now we can go to the score logic. Okay, so what we have to do first? We have to create a three variables. Okay, so in minimum is always 0. Initially it will be 0. Okay, so second int max equal to a dot length minus 1, and then int mid equal to minimum plus maximum divided by 2. Okay, so first one we have created all the three variables here. So next one is if condition. Okay, so first if mid, sorry, a of mid equal to what? Target we have to create. Okay, yeah. So int target. So this is the element which we need to identify. Okay, so the index of that particular element we have to identify. Okay, so we can have, we can have this some maximum, like, yeah, we can have 9. Okay, so target is 9 equal to target, then sys out of element is mid. Okay, so next one is else if, okay, so a of mid is greater than, sorry, a of mid is less than, what we have to check? A of mid we have to check against the target only. Okay, so target. Okay, so this is first one. What? Okay, okay. So if a of mid is, okay, so if a of mid is less than of this target. Okay, so this is a of mid and this is the target. Okay, so if it is a of mid is less than the target. Okay, so then it will be in this part. Okay, then what we have to do? So we have to change the maximum from here to here. Okay, so you know, no need to change anything minimum value. Okay, because it's already a minimum index. So maximum equal to, okay, mid minus 1. Okay, so mid minus 1. Okay, so a of mid is less than, okay, so less than target, right? So a of mid is considered like a of mid is 4 and then target is 2. Okay, so 4 is less than of 2. Yeah, correct. Okay, so fine. So next is else if part is else if greater than. Okay, so greater than a of mid is greater, a of mid is greater than target. Okay, so a of what is it? A of mid is 4. Okay, so target is 6. Okay, so so basically this will go here. Okay, so because so in this case, okay, so a of mid is not greater than target. Okay, so so what we have to give here? Okay, we have to change the minimum value. Okay, so minimum value is mid plus 1. Okay, so for example here in this example, okay, so mid is 4. Okay, mid is 4 and then target is 6. Okay, target is 6. So this is which condition? So this condition. Okay, see, this condition. Okay, so this mid is less than of target. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to change the minimum value. Okay, we have to shift this minimum value from here to here. Okay, so minimum is mid plus 1. Okay, so if that is not the case, then AF mid is greater than target. Okay, so then we have to change the max value. So max value, break this max value from here to mid minus 1. So mid minus 1. That's what I have done. Okay, so okay, so if this is the case, then we can simply break. I think okay, break cannot be outside. Yeah, we will be using a loop here. Okay, so first, okay, so this is the like first time it will iterate here. Okay, so second time it needs to iterate. Okay, so for that I'm using a while loop. While minimum is less than or equal to max. Okay, so if this is the case, then only run the loop or else break it. Okay, so we'll be doing it like this. Okay, so what is the target? Target is 9. Okay, so it says index of the targeted element is 8. Okay, so it's really 8. Okay, target is 9. Okay, so 9 is present in this 8 index. Okay, so that means output is correct here. Okay, so next we can try with this 0. Okay, so 0 is present in the 0th index, right? So index of the targeted element is 0. Okay, for this, Again, we can have one a boolean. Okay, so in order to identify if that array, the particular element is not present in the array. Okay, so boolean is present equal to false. Okay, so initially let it be false is present equal to true. Okay, so outside of this for loop, if not present, then we can copy the text from here. Okay, so let me give 7 here as a target. If 7 is not present in the array, target element is not present in the array. Okay, so let's remove one value and then we can try. So basically this is an odd number, so we have a proper mid value. Okay, so this is like a even count, so here we don't have a proper mid value, so but still we can try this. Okay, so let me have 1 as a target, so 1 is present in the first index only. Okay, so index of the target element is 1. Okay, fine, guys. So this is binary search, all about this video. Okay, so here we have seen the linear search and binary search. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please do comment. I'll surely reply for your comment with the proper answer. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe this channel and then like this video and then share this video on the channel with your friends. So we can meet in another video. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.